Spinnaker Managed Services support differs from our third-party support in that it is proactive and addresses the day-to-day care and feeding of a customer's environment, where we are integrated within their support teams, we become a part of their business processes, and we are essentially an outsourced technical function. While third-party support is a direct replacement for the vendor support that is provided by the software manufacturer. Third-party support is reactive and addresses break-fix issues, general inquiries, and things of that nature. In the ITIL world, it provides the level 4 support, where access to the systems is not required. Managed Services provides proactive support like monitoring, incident and problem management, release management, service request fulfillment. It fills those level 2 and 3, ITIL level 2 and 3 services. It does include access to the system and actual hands-on keyboards from engineers. In that regard, Spinnaker Managed Services works closely with our third-party support services for customer environments where a customer has purchased both offers from Spinnaker. Since our founding, we have offered both Spinnaker Managed Services to customers that have purchased Spinnaker third-party support, as well as those customers who have not purchased third-party support and have stayed with manufacturer support.